Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to install a Windows package manager to update all installed programs. So how can install this? So let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, copy this link into the video description. So after opening that, scroll down and click on a Microsoft Desktop app installer. So click on it and download it. So it's required of a few seconds to complete the downloading. So I just wait to complete this process. After completing the downloading, open it. So click on update. So it's required of a few seconds to complete this process. Okay guys. Okay, after completing that, go to your Windows Shield. Go to your Windows in the search box, type of Windows PowerShell, right click and run as administrator. Okay guys, after opening that, type a winget space upgrade space dash all and press enter. It's required of a few seconds to complete the process. So just wait to complete the process. Okay, now you can see that successfully installed, and after doing that, close it and restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.